A taste of goodness. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanel Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this amazingly delicious Angwamo or braised rice recipe. Ha! Iduane ehwam wate na ne de ne de ajewa a woka hwɛ. Now, this recipe is so simple, very easy to make, and super quick. Ready in just under 30 minutes, you guys. So, if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good. Let's get right to it, y'all. Alrighty, so here I have some jasmine rice. I will be using jasmine rice for today's recipe, but you can use whatever rice you have available, okay? Next, our star ingredient, which is our tolo beef. Quite fatty, but we'll get to it, okay? We also have our onions already sliced up right here. And of course, a little bit of curry powder for some flavor and color, but this is an optional ingredient, okay? Let's get started. Alright, y'all. So we'll begin with our tolo beef. Now, as you can see, this stuff is super salty. You can literally see the salt as I lift them from my bowl. It is also quite fatty, but we will get to that part later. What we are going to do now is go ahead and wash and cut these beautifully, just like so. Look at that. You can cut them into whatever shapes and sizes that you prefer, okay? I decided to go with this one. Now I'll go ahead and soak this in water for about 15 to 20 minutes to get rid of as much salt as I can. Next, to a heated pan, I'll go ahead and add my cooking oil. Preferably, it should be coconut oil. But if you don't have it, use whatever you have available, okay? To this, I just added my sliced up onions. You can slice, dice, or chop your onions however you want it. Go for it, okay? So we will saute this in there for about a minute and then proceed to add in our curry powder. Now we are adding the curry powder in the beginning because you know it has a grainy texture to it and we are not trying to taste that in our rice, okay? So add it in the beginning to build up flavor. Add in your Toloo beef. Yes, y'all. This recipe is super quick. And then we will continue to saute this for 5 more minutes or until the onion starts to caramelize. Just like so. Beautiful. You guys, the aroma in this kitchen right now, oh my goodness. It is so good. It smells amazing, you guys. So I went ahead to add in my neatly washed rice. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep stirring, sauteing, or even frying if you may, until the rice absorbs all the moisture in the pot and they begin to stick to the pot, okay? Now this is the secret, y'all. You need to stir fry your rice before you add your water. That takes the flavor to a whole nother level, okay? Now add enough water to the same level of the rice, stir quickly, cover this up and cook on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. The aroma clouding this kitchen right now, oh my goodness. Also, after the 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and give this a very quick stir and taste for salt. I needed a little bit more salt and so I added a little bit more. Now it is safe to add your salt at this point because by now the beef has released all of its good juices into your rice and the two flavors have married beautifully and you can definitely tell whether or not you need some more salt. You don't want to add the salt in the beginning because your rice may end up being salty. Cover this back up with your parchment paper and cook this on the stove for about 10 more minutes. 10 minutes later, come in with a clean spoon or ladle because you don't want to transfer the uncooked rice that was stuck on the ladle to your pot. Look at how perfectly nice and fluffy this is. Your Toloo beef Angwamo is ready. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and garnish with your favorite vegetables. I'm using parsley and spring onions in my case. The aroma, the color, the tastes out of this world. It is just everything. I loved this so much. I enjoyed every single piece of this rice. What better way to enjoy your anwamu than with some fried eggs, some fried ripe plantains, and of course your hot pepper. You can also do shito if you prefer. They both go good. Okay. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really do hope you enjoyed yourself because I sure did enjoy the cooking myself. Until I see you next time. Bye.